Look, so if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would definitely and truly appreciate it. So yeah, I just decided to do this look. I wanted to go for mermaidish Halloween kind of vibes, but I'm like, oh Jody, I don't really have the time to be doing like Halloween makeup. So I just decided to do this nice pretty, you know, colorful eyes, like, you know, aquatic kind of vibe, like mermaid kind of vibe. I don't know, but I just wanted to do something very, very cute and, you know, very, very nice. So I decided to rock this look. So yeah, this is what we're going to be creating, and I'm wearing my olive hair from Aliexpress, still holding up very nice. And these are the curls from the last time that I curled the hair that I made the video. I'll attach a link to the right of your screen if you want to see that video. But yeah guys, I am so loving this look. Very nice, giving me a nice vibe, you know what I'm saying? And I just went ahead and braided hair right at the side. This is a closure, guys, so yeah, nice, very nice. It's a closure. I just put the closure to the side, like, you know, and then I just braided the side, and I went straight back, straight from the side straight to the back to right here. And then I just gave it some like 2, 3, 4 curls at the front, and yeah, and it's really, really nice, giving me a nice vibe. Really, really loving this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really and truly appreciate it.
Okay, so I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 46. Then I'm using my Sylyne brush to just blend out the concealer. Then I went in with this shade from my Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm using this fluffy brush to just blend the purplish pink shadow into my crease or on my lids. Then I'm going in with this color, and this is coming from the Magic Palettes, and I'm just using that now to define my crease. It's like a navy bluish kind of color. Yeah, loving it. And just added all of that to the lid space, and then I'm going over now with the same pinkish purplish color from the Masquerade palette, and I just blended that on top of that navy blue color. Then I'm using my favorite brush, guys. It's my Real Techniques brush to just define the area that I'm going to add that duochromish purplish icy cool color from the Magic palette. And I'm just defining that area just to ensure that, you know, it's nice and cut. And I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I just went in and blended that out, and I'm going in with this color, and this is coming from the Morphe 35O palette, using this pencil brush to just define that to my, you know, to the outer corners of my eyes. Then I went in with this duochromish purplish icy cool color to just add that to the lid space, and then I went in again with the purplish shade to just blend that out. And I'm going in with this blue from the Morphe 35B palette, and I just added that on top just to give it this, you know, nice colors transitioning. And then I went again with the purple from the Masquerade palette to just blend that out and to just get everything to be nice and blown and smoked out, so it can look like, yeah. And then I use my liquid liner to just add that wing line. As you can see, I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner, and I use my Maybelline mascara to just add that to my lashes, yeah, before I add my lashes. And I went to the lower lids again with this color, the duochrome color from the Masquerade the Magic palette, adding that to the lower lid. And I went in with the blue again from the Morphe 35B palette, and this purple from the Masquerade palette. And yeah, just cleaning up my brows, as you can see, using this spoolie to just clean it up. And yeah, this is the look. Yeah, just gonna, yeah.
Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did my face, you know, face portion, and I put on my wig. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Luster Dust Dew Drop, and what are we gonna use? To just add the highlighter. I'm gonna be adding the highlighter. Right. Ooh! Oh craps! Too much, Jody, too much. Okay, just gonna add it right here. Just adding it first, and then we're gonna blend it out. Oh, shit. We're gonna go in with this now, the Elf Baked highlighter. And then I'm just gonna put some gloss over that. And this is our finished look, guys. I hope you liked it. Feeling this look, it's really nice. And I'm wearing my olive hair, yeah, from Amazon, Aliexpress I mean. And yeah, it's holding up very nice. I just put some nice loose curls, and these were the curls from the last time I curled it. So I just put a little bit more at the front, and I just braided the side and the back. Hope you enjoy this video. I really enjoyed creating it for you. So if you really enjoy this, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would definitely and truly and really and truly appreciate it. Yeah guys, so this is our look.